M18 Hotshot Jump Starter delivers an always ready-to-jump experience and is prepared to jump in under 70 seconds, making it easy to get a vehicle back up and running. First, ensure the vehicle is off and turn off all vehicle accessories. Turn the unit on, then press the charge capacitor button to begin charging. Once charging is complete, the charge LED light will turn solid and the display screen will show 100%. Attach the red clamp to the positive battery terminal and the black clamp to the negative battery terminal. Press the Start Engine button on the jump starter and start the vehicle within the 30-second time limit. Power off the unit and disconnect the clamps from the vehicle battery.